In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to download Gmail on your device. So if you have any emails that you want to download on your device, this is how you do it. First of all, open your Gmail and go to the email that you want to download. So I'm just going to open this random email from here from Snapchat. So if I want to download this email, what you're going to do is click on three dots at the top right and then tap on print. Once you tap on print, this will open the print layout and you're going to be able to download this PDF from here. So basically you just click on this download option right here, this one. Once you do this, you choose your folder that you want to download in. So I'm just going to download it on this random folder right here. And once I do this, the email will now be downloaded to the designated folder that I just chose. Now, as you can see, the PDF has now been downloaded to this folder. Now you just tap on it to open it. And once you open PDF, you'll be able to read it, what was on your Gmail. And that's how you can easily download your email to your device as a PDF. Thank you for watching.